Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, had attended the interaction with producer groups, a Prime Meghalaya initiative in collaboration with the District Project Management Unit, Southwest Khasi Hills on the 28th of July 2021. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, Conrad Sangma said that price of produce is not a problem, but it should be something the farmers make for the goal that consumers should have. Conrad sympathized with the farmers, whom he said do not have proper access to technology, proper storage of produce, proper platform to market their products, and no proper processing units. Conrad Sangma therefore encouraged the convergence of farmers for better productivity so as to ultimately meet the price set by them in the market.
So price and getting a better price for the products that our farmers make is the goal that we all have. The problem is the production is not enough. The problem is that there is no storage. The problem is that we don't have access to market. The problem is we don't have processing. The problem is we don't have training, we don't have packaging. So therefore it's important to understand in our minds the categorization of what we have said. So therefore it's very interesting today that you mentioned about almost all those other problems. So now if we look at the problem of production, we realize that if a farmer is alone, he or she will produce 10 kgs of squash. And if you go to the market, you don't have enough quantity to get the price that you want. So therefore we felt that why don't we converge and bring 10-15 farmers together so that if each one is producing 10, then you can have 100 or 150 kgs. And that is the quantity which may get you the price that you want. And therefore, we started this program of the producer group. And we're trying to promote producer groups so that farmers or individuals can come together so that you can get more production